Everyone who's tried to make an explanation video on Explain Everything has made mistakes. Whether that's writing something down wrong and having to rub it out, or leaving huge pauses whilst you think about what it is you're actually trying to say or explain to your student or the teacher. All you need to start editing your videos are these two tools here, the selection tool on the left and the cut and stitch tool on the right. Find the point in the video where you want to start cutting and stitching. Use the selector tool to select the video chunk you want to delete. Once you've found that, use the cut and stitch tool to remove that from your video. But what if you go too far and you actually delete something you needed to keep? Easy. Press the coloured button next to the record button and select Insert. Find the point in the video where you want to add in the new information. Press Record and away you go. Explain Everything even lets you change the speed of your videos by adjusting the speed setting indicated by the blue arrow. Simply use the selector tool to select the video that you would like to speed up. Press the speed selector and choose the appropriate speed. And hey presto, double speed explanations.